for a bump.
If you aim for that and hit that, you may break your bum.
Which one?
The right angled rock.
Okay.
We lost the Asian.
Now look, now I have a friend who has just discovered her back is broken. She knew her coccyx was broken from it, but the last vertebrae has apparently got a crack in it now as well. So, while we do it, sit down here, left hand on that handle, right hand on that handle, and launch ourselves.
Oh wow.
Alright, so be ready. If you're aiming for this, ride your right butt cheek. If you ride your left, it exposes your bum to that.
It catches off.
Yeah, I know.
My hand punched it off. Alright then. Oh, there's a rock there. Hold on.
Oh man.
Chat week. Man, my contact only came out in the last one.
Oh my god.
Oh, went right over it.
Go for it.